Thank you for supporting our channel. Thank you for supporting Whizzan. Please like, subscribe, comment and hit the notification bell for any future videos. The Bikeworks section is where you make and prepare your bike lists for pointing and control the revision of your points you see. When you select map view, you have the option to go full map and create your bike list from within this full map view. By pressing the red pins and then tapping the I, you are then adding it to your bike list for that day. When it changes from red to green, it's in your bike list. Tap small map to see your compiled list. In the view bike list option, you can also use the map view for when you're out pointing to help with a more refined choice of which point to go to next. In the revised bike list view, you now have the option to create and save revision sets. This is true on every revision screen.